Hi, I'm Jenny with AirServe, and today I'm going to show you how to change out your smoke detector batteries. Your smoke detector will either be on your wall or your ceiling. It's a good habit to remember to change out your battery every 6 months when you move your clock forward and backward for daylight savings time. Once you've reached your detector on your sturdy stool or ladder, turn it to take it off its base plate. Test the detector after you've replaced the battery to make sure it works, which is good to do before you reinstall it onto its base. Snap it in place and then test once more. For some more home energy saving tips, check us out on YouTube or go to our site airserve.com.